Hearing aid compatibility, choosing a cell phone that works for you, Part 2. How to use hearing aid compatibility ratings to choose your wireless device. In this video, using hearing aids with cell phones. Identifying cochlear implant compatibility issues. About T-Coil mode. Choosing a cell phone by combining your hearing aid rating and cell phone rating, using different carrier service provider technologies.
As we talked about, when you were fitted with your hearing aids, we created several hearing aid programs for specific listening environments, and one was a T-Coil program. More and more people are starting to utilize the T-Coil settings. The way you access your T-Coil program on your hearing aid is by pushing the button here on the back. Older models, though, would access the telephone function by switching the toggle from microphone to telephone on their particular hearing aid. We also briefly discussed, if you remember, the importance of the room acoustics of where one is speaking, as well as the placement of the phone at your ear.
Now, my hearing aids are a newer model, so should I expect better performance with a cell phone?
Well, yes, in general, newer hearing aids should provide better performance with the cell phone as their internal circuitry has been optimized to be more immune to the interference. This will tend to so-called shield the hearing aid from interference. Also, the hearing aid manufacturers are beginning to list the immunity ratings of their hearing aids in a similar manner as the cell phone companies have. And for your information, in case you didn't know this, your hearing aid has an M3 T3 rating. Some cell phones also have both an M and T rating. So what this means is when you add the M rating of your hearing aid along with the M rating of the phone that you choose to purchase, you get a combined rating, such as if your hearing aid has a rating of an M3 and your cell phone has an M rating of 3, the combined rating is 6. The higher the combined rating, the better experience you should have.
As kind of an aside, I have a friend who has a cochlear implant. What compatibility rules apply there?
Well, cochlear implants aren't rated for cell phone compatibility, although I would probably anticipate that cochlear implant users would share the same issues that hearing aid users have. Again, you should try before you buy.
Oh, that's good to hear. No pun intended. Is there anything else I need to know?
One very important factor to consider is which service provider you will choose. Service providers operate 2 main networks in the United States. Some hearing aid users have reported they experience less interference when they use a service provider operating a CDMA network than they do using a phone on a GSM network. As performance may vary dramatically for each individual, as they do from hearing loss to hearing loss, hearing aid to hearing aid, phone to phone, and network to network. Again, this is why it's important to try before you buy.